Hello everyone, and this time we will set up our Angular project using Visual Studio Code. If you navigate in the Visual Studio Code, you will see an opened folder link. First of all, we need to create a folder that will store and hold our Angular project, wherein in my case, I already made one, and it's named Angular Course. And afterwards, we select the folder. By selecting the folder, now we can create our new Angular project with the command that I showed you earlier. So the command is ng new plus the project name for your own project. In my case, I'm gonna make it Angular dash course. By entering it, it's gonna ask me if I would like to add Angular routing, but in the later course, I will use Angular routing, so I will just add it. It will ask me what style sheet format would I like to use, and in my case, I'm gonna use CSS. Then it's gonna generate all the npm packages that's necessary for developing in Angular. Just what I said earlier, that Angular really has a big load of memory, which sometimes will result in a slow loading pages. But it's much better than having a hard time developing, because there's still a way to make it load faster. Right now, we'll wait for a bit until all the packages are installed. It's gonna be not that long. It might take 2 to 3 minutes, but maybe much faster for your end. But approximately just gonna take some few minutes. And now it is set up successfully. It installed all the packages, and now what we need to do is we will navigate inside our Angular course folder that was generated using the ng new command. Right click on the Angular course or the project name that you have, and then open it in the integrated terminal, and then it will show you the terminal inside the VS Code. Then afterwards, we will start our server using the command ng serve. In this case, just press N, and then it will give you a link for the localhost 404200. Basically, right now the Angular is still building, the project is still building, and then it generated a localhost 4200 as the link. Here in Visual Studio Code, you can just press Ctrl key plus click, and then you click it, and it will show you the default page or the default website after generating a new project in Angular. This is what it is gonna look like every time you create a new Angular project, and later in the course, we will edit this, we will change this design on our own customization. That would be all for this course. Thank you.